How's it going, Germinators? My name is the Epicar, or Geronos318, and welcome to another episode of How to Build Stampys Sky Den. And in today's episode of How to Build Stampys Sky Den, believe it or not, we are going to be finishing the Rabbit Railway, because the last three things, while I'm talking to you, I'm just going to go ahead and break this, because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this again, so I don't need all this. But anyways, in the last episode, we did the sugar bonds, minty bonds, and bubble bonds. And in today's episode, what we are going to be doing is the underwater train system, the carriage, and the, whatchamacallit? I can't think of the name. Oh, final tail, like the green tail. So, enough of me chattering on, let's get right into this. So, what you're going to be needing is some black wool and some glass. You'll need some blue wool, and you'll need some, of course, water. So you want to come out 3, 1, 2, 3, and then come out one more and come up. So like that. And there should be 3 of them coming up total. So 1, 2, 3. Then you want to do 1, 2, 3, 4 total. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the glass starts right here, I believe. Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys, I got this. Let me check something real fast. Alright. This is like a tradition. So get this glass and put it right starting here. And it should be 6 tall total, so it should be linked with this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not right. That can't be right. 7. Right? Yes, it's 7. My bad. Sorry, guys. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. And then there will be 1 here, and 1, 2, 3. So it should be 7 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm sorry if it's a little bit echoey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring all this across, and then all this is going to be like the floor of it. And then the rest will be the wall. There is no ceiling in this. There's not, because it's just like, it's like a big water tank that a track goes through. That's basically what their idea of it was to be. And I say they, of course, Stampy and Squishy. It's what their idea was. Their idea was for it to be like a big water track. Like just like a big tank, and then a track going right through it. And that's what it ended up looking like. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this part. So here we go. Okay, guys, so get all that filled in, and then we're gonna have to think about this. Just put one there, and then it should look like that. Correct? Yes. Yes, so it should look like that. And no, this is the last thing I wanted. Streams. Okay, is that good? There we go. So, yep. You don't want any streams, just like a big, as I've said a million times, it seems like, just a big, stuttering on my words, stuttering, oh my gosh. Okay, alright. So, now what you want to do is get this and go down one. So, it should look like that, and it makes sense eventually. Let's just get a power rail, a rail, and a lever. Oh yeah, we haven't done any of the railing, so let's just right here. And I know he got rid of that. Stampy got rid of that. No, I know what Stampy did. Let's just go ahead and do this real fast, I guess. We can go ahead and do that. He made it go down a little bit. So it was like, now it's like this, and then it comes up right here. Anyways, let's go ahead and do this. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet? Sorry, I just went really silent. I saw this video the other day, and it was of these people on America's Got Talent, and it was actually really funny. So just this, you don't need to know exactly where all the power rails go. I'm just doing it pretty randomly because. Does it really matter? Does it really matter? Then I started doing a pattern. I didn't mean to do that. Don't do a pattern like that. Because I know for a fact that it ends up being like this. And then like probably right there it goes, and then it goes down, whee, and then so this is the hard part because you can't place signs on top of each other unless you're crouching. Like, look, I'll show you. I'm not crouching, and I'm trying to do it, so you have to go like this. Well, you don't have to do it just to place the sign, but to place it on top, you do. So, this is right? Yes, it is. Sorry guys, I'm trying to concentrate. We're taking a lot longer than I thought this would. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. We might not finish it in today's episode. Sadly. There we go. So now's the hardest part. Oh, we have to place blue wool down there. You might as well get some black too. Oh, we already have black. Put the blue down, and then right here, 1, 2, 3. Boom! And then place the railing. So now, let's just write it real fast. Let's just see how it's doing. We got this, guys. We got this. I don't know why I'm saying we got this, though. I don't really need to. It's not like, oh, if we don't do this, then we're gonna die. So we got this. It's not like that's what's going on. But we got this, guys. Don't worry. So let's get a minecart and just hope that this works. Here's sugar bonds, bubble bonds, minty bonds, and yay! Oh, we didn't. Well, yeah, okay, it worked. So now let's do another one. Woo! Okay, so this goes up. This is not another one. I just said another one. I can't believe that. Let's do the, what's it called? The castle carriage or something. Let's get some black wool. Put one there and do 1, 2, 3, and then yeah. Then the wall starts. So let's get some stone brick. So alright. So it's gonna start right here. Right here. And it's gonna be no, my bad, guys. It's gonna start right here because there's gonna, of course, be the little tires under it. So, oh, let's go ahead and do that right here, I guess. Whoa. Yeah, all of them should have tires, except, like, I don't think the bonds do. I'll have to figure out what, because all the tires are different. Like, there's an orange one there, there's a black one there, and then I don't even remember the other one there. I think, like, that's just memory. Alright, so it should be 9 by 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That ain't right. No, I'm just kidding. That is right. It's a good thing we got rid of the trade center because, yeah, it actually was a little bit, like, messed up. Here's the thing. It wasn't supposed to be 121. Even in my actual one, it wasn't long enough. So we're just going to keep doing this, spreading this out a little bit. Because even the trade center is a little bit to the left, too, I figured out. Because I was looking in the video, and there's, like, a bunch of oak wood going over the trade center, like, kind of. Like, it was going like this, probably right here, and it was doing that. And they had the oak wood right here, kind of linking in. So, yeah. Anyways, let's quit getting sidetracked, because this video is going to be a little bit longer than the others. But if you are sticking around, I'm so glad, because if you are still watching, I'm guessing that you're Build Stampys Sky Den. Anyways, it should be 6 tall, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, that's these ones. Alright, I gotcha. Alright, sorry. I don't know why I just said I gotcha like that. Alright. Just fill it all in 6 tall. Just do it. So let's go ahead and do that right here. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, they ain't gonna hit me here. Okay, guys. So we're gonna just do this grass part, and then we're gonna do the rest in the next episode. Yeah, there should be, just fill all of this in with grass, because it's like a grass kingdom with a bunch of animals and Sam the dog's in it and blah blah blah. So in the next episode we are going to actually, hopefully, because I really didn't think this would take as long as it just did, but in the next episode we are going to finish the Rabbit's Railway. Hopefully it won't take as long. I think we will. Well, because all we got to do is the inner part of this and like the track, and then we got to do the bunny part. We got to do the bunny tail. And we do, off camera, I'm going to extend this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15 blocks. Do that. Extend it all out, 15 blocks, and then we're gonna do the trade center after that the right way. I used to think that I did it the complete right way, but this time it actually will be correct. After that we're going to go and oh jeez. In the next episode after that we are going to most probably do the tree farm. Then we're going to do the hardest part of Sky Den, in my opinion, which is all the way over here. And the name of it is Insect Island. And then after that, we'll probably do the Ender Dragon. Actually, comment down below. After we do the tree farm, should we do the Ender Dragon thingy? Like that big Ender Dragon thing? Or should we do the Insect Island? So comment down below what we should do in the after we do the tree. So just say after you do the tree thing, do this or do this. So either Insect Island or the Ender Dragon thingy. I don't know what it's called, just the big Ender Dragon. So yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give a like, subscribe to my channel if you are new. I do 2 videos daily of most of Minecraft. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is the Epic R, or Ross 13. Stay awesome, blossom. Peace out. Bye, guys.